Uh, I am Dr. Ramakrishna, psychologist. Today we are discussing about the one of the important one of the symptom. It is called incest. Incest ante incest. INSEST. Incest means it is one of the complex of the problem. It is incest means having sexual relations with close relations, means auntie, sister, and mother, uh, or with anyone in the family. It is called incest. Incest, it is not coming in nowadays. It is from olden days onwards. Olden days, it is also kings are married to their own sisters. In some of the religions, it is also brother's daughter they are marrying. But in Hindu system, it is not accepting. But incest cases are reading in the books only. But it is in practice. So many cases are coming to me. It is one of the symptom. Why the incest it is happening when the person is feeling excessive sexual desires in that particular moment, no one it is not available. It is also very dangerous to go to the other woman, other places. It is also then he feels very insecure and he himself searching for the nearest one. When the woman, it is whether it is sister or anyone, then he immediately attracted and unable to control his emotions properly, then he is committed to the sexual matter. It is called as a incest. But it is happening in so many families. Those who are traditional families, it is also they are appearing normally for the society, out of the society. When they are coming to the psychologist, they are telling about they have the regular habit of their brother, and they have regularly they are facing and harassing from brother, and everything they told to me like that. But incest, it is one of the complex of the psychology, but it is very rarely appearing. Some of the cases are coming to me, but it is very practically it is very dangerous thing, because if you go to the particular aspect, then it leads to the some of the problems. It is also, if she will goes to the marriage to the other man, then he unable to control his emotions properly, then it leads to the some of the internal conflicts, and it may leads to the stress. It is also sometimes it goes to the depression. It is also. But one person is coming to me, he is very suffering from the depressive thoughts. Sister is going to the New Delhi, she is not talking to me, she has other affairs, but he is not unable to controlling his emotions properly because she is away from, she has other contacts. It is also. But like that, he is suffering from this type of problem. Incest, it is in foreign countries, some of the foreign countries it is common, but they are not thinking it is a sin. But in India, it is very traditional country. In out of the places, if we tell like this, nobody should not accepting, but nobody should not know the fact. It is also. But incest, it is one of the psychological disorder. If anyone is having like that feelings, better to come out of the problem. If it is not possible to you, then it is better to consult to the psychologist for the cognitive behavior therapy, counseling and psychotherapy, or relaxation therapy, or any other things they will do particularly. But it is coming out of this problem, it is very important one. But out of the places, if we go to the diseases, some men feeling diseases and conflicts and money aspects, it is also nearest one they are using. Uncles are using their daughter-in-law, but aunties are using their son-in-law. It is if we go to the internet, so many videos are coming like that, like the sister sex videos, auntie sex videos, mother chachika videos, like that. But it is very dangerous, but it may leads to the some of the problems it is also. So if you have anyone have like that feelings in internal aspects, better to consult to the psychologist and come out of the problem. Okay, thank you.